I'm going to show you today how to trim the sheep's hoofs. First thing I do, these weigh about 150 pounds. If you got to tip them over, what you want to do is take their head over to the side and push on the back, and they'll go down. She's not that heavy, I can pick her up and get her down. Her hoofs aren't too bad. What you want to watch for is that these don't start rolling over. And I like to cut the tip off. I take care of them every couple months, every 3-4 months. And she'll be sheared coming up soon, but I just wanted to show you what I do. I start out here. If you kind of squeeze them between your legs, they feel more secure. I like to cut that tip off. Now you don't want to cut much shorter than that because it'll bleed. And if it does bleed, it's not a major problem, but it'll heal up. Make sure there's no bad smell, hoof rot or anything. And that's about all you need to do. I'll do this one. Just so they're not rolling over. If they roll over and they get moisture in there, that's where you get the problems with hoof rot. And then the back. Same thing. Make sure there's no bad smell. She's in good shape. And then this one. Oops. My nippers are just a little bit dull. She's good to go. And it's good while you have them, just check them. I like to check them for ticks or anything else you might see. Again, you want to smell and make sure there's no hoof rot or anything. She looks good. She's in good shape. Okay, the way you control a sheep too is you grab underneath. If they start moving, taking off, you just lift up. And that'll control them. Again, since this one's not too big, too heavy, I can just pick her up, flip her over. And she's in good shape too. You can see this one's starting to curl over here. That's not bad. A lot of people let them go and they fold way over and they get hoof rot and all kinds of problems. But she's in good shape. But I'll clean them up while I got her here. take the tip off, go down the side. The inside's good. She's clean. No bad smell. She's in good shape. See how that's folding over just a little bit? You'll see some sheep that fold way over. And then you get some feet problems. Good shape. I'll go on to the back. I just kind of stay level with the pad of their foot, and then you won't run into problems with going too deep. Always check in between their hoofs. Make sure there's no redness or moisture. And she's good. Now you can see this one. See how it's folding over? And this one here, I like to keep those cleaned up. I don't have them on solid surface, any concrete or anything, so there's no opportunity for them to keep their hoofs down. You can see how this one's kind of curling in, so I won't completely trim that off, but I'll try to work to straighten that out. A little thick in here. And there's no bad smell. So she's in good shape. The other thing I like to check when I've got them is you can look below their eyelid. See how that's pink? That means she doesn't have a worm problem. If that's a light color, it's an indication of worms, but I'm going to worm both of these ewes anyways. Check her. She's clean. No ticks. So I'll worm her and we're all set. Use the syringe and mix the wormer that I use in there, and I use this if the sheep ever need anything that they're not going to take on their own. And you just go in the side of their mouth there, and you want to get it to the back of their tongue, and I put it in slow so that they don't inhale it, but that they swallow it. And that's it. If this video was a help to you, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And I look forward to helping you with other projects online. Minnie, you're no help.